welcome on board to Ocean Riders. You see, we are going to use this nice faster boat, so please everybody, shoes off, and there on board you can bring all your personal belongings. Show me your hand up like this. This one means stop, I feel sick. This is emergency stop, okay? But if we are so happy, show me carnival hands. A ver, everybody, carnival hands. Here we go, here we go. The first stop is gonna be on the Lovers Beach, where we can walk and take some pictures. All the time. And if it's too hard for you, push the water out, just turns upside down and the gravity may hold. Questions? We're okay? Ready, guys?
Sí.
Muy bien. Come to see my babies.
Like a porcupine.
Uh-huh.
We started out by taking the boat out to Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach. I have to ask, whose idea was it to put Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach right next to each other?
Because they waves.
Because of what?
Yeah, the waves.
Oh, I see.
Because the Lovers look so flat, water is so warm. The opposite, it's too cold and a roughy area. That's why we felt like
bigger
that.
waves and more nasty. So the Lovers Beach is very passive. We saw lots of things, lots of formations in the rocks, from elephants to lots of things. And there are movies that have been filmed there.
Yes, a lot of Mexican movies around.
Even Planet of the Apes.
Planet of the Apes, Troy, the TV show Heroes.
Apparently you've been coming to Cabo for many years.
It's probably about my 5th year, and I've been doing Ocean Riders for about 3.5 years.
What is it about Cabo that you like so much?
It's 2 hours away, and it's peaceful.
It's really, safe, though, isn't it?
It's very safe, very peaceful. Everybody's very courteous. It's not like other places you go, so it is very safe.